Imagine this, you're scrolling through your social media feed, and suddenly, a notification pops up. It's not a new friend request or a viral video, but a gentle reminder about your spending habits. Sounds like a scene from a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it's not. It's the reality for millions who use Pocketguard. Ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly manage their finances while others struggle? The secret might not be a magic wand or a secret formula, but a simple app called Pocketguard. Pocketguard is like having a personal finance superhero at your fingertips. It helps you track your income, expenses, and savings, all in one place. Whether you're a student trying to make ends meet, a working professional saving for a big purchase, or a retiree trying to make your money last, Pocketguard can be your financial sidekick. Getting started with Pocketguard. The first step is to download the Pocketguard app from the Google Play Store. Once installed, you'll be prompted to connect your bank accounts. Don't worry, your financial data is secure. Pocketguard uses bank-level encryption to protect your information. Tracking your income and expenses. Once your accounts are linked, Pocketguard will automatically start tracking your income and expenses. You can see a breakdown of your spending by category, such as food, transportation, and entertainment. This visual representation makes it easy to identify areas where you might be overspending. Setting financial goals. One of the most powerful features of Pocketguard is its goal-setting functionality. Whether you're saving for a vacation, a new car, or your retirement, Pocketguard can help you stay on track. Simply set a goal, and the app will show you how much you need to save each month to reach it. Budgeting and saving. Pocketguard also includes a budgeting feature. You can create a budget for different categories and track your progress towards your goals. The app will even provide you with personalized tips on how to save more money. Analyzing your spending habits. Pocketguard's analytics tools can help you understand your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. For example, you might discover that you're spending too much on eating out or subscription services. By analyzing your spending, you can make informed decisions about where to allocate your money. Additional features. In addition to the features mentioned above, Pocketguard also offers a number of other useful tools, such as bill reminders, debt tracking, and investment tracking. These features can help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Pocketguard is a powerful tool that can help you improve your financial well-being. By tracking your income and expenses, setting goals, and analyzing your spending habits, you can take control of your finances and achieve financial freedom. So, what are you waiting for? Download Pocketguard today and start your journey towards financial success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. Take control and make it a bright one.